Nestled amidst the vibrant forests of Africa, there exists an extraordinary avian species known as the honeyguide bird. Unlike most birds that solely rely on seeds or insects for sustenance, the honeyguide has evolved a unique and ingenious strategy to secure its meals. This remarkable bird possesses an uncanny ability to locate hidden honeycombs, a treasure trove of sweet nectar and nutritious honey. Honeyguides have a keen sense of smell, allowing them to detect the faintest traces of honey from a distance. However, instead of keeping this precious resource for themselves, they engage in an astonishing form of cooperation with humans. When a honeyguide spots a honeycomb, it emits a distinct, characteristic call, attracting the attention of nearby humans. With its characteristic wagging tail and fluttering wings, it guides the humans to the honeycomb, acting as a feathered treasure map. In return, a honeyguide is allowed to feast on the remains of the honeycomb after the honey has been harvested. This mutually beneficial relationship between honeyguides and humans has been observed for centuries. Hunters and gatherers in Africa have long followed the bird's calls, leading them to abundant honey sources. The honeyguide's unique behavior has even been immortalized in folklore and mythology, portraying these feathered navigators as wise and dependable companions. Scientists have studied this remarkable partnership and discovered that honeyguides can communicate the location of honeycombs with remarkable precision. They use a combination of vocalizations and bodily gestures to guide humans toward the target site. Research has also shown that honeyguides possess an innate understanding of human behavior, adjusting their guiding strategy based on the individual they are interacting with. The honeyguide's ability to locate honeycombs and guide humans has played a crucial role in the survival of both species. For the honeyguide, it provides a reliable source of food. For humans, it has meant access to a valuable food resource in regions where other sources may be scarce. The honeyguide bird is a testament to the intricate web of interconnections that exist in the natural world. Its unique and cooperative behavior highlights the remarkable ways in which different species can benefit from one another, creating a mutually beneficial ecosystem.